Hi, welcome back again to this channel. This is gonna be a very short video, and this video is how to remove the tail light in a GMC Canyon or in a GMC Colorado. You can see this is the tail light. It's easy, I already removed it, but I'll show you how you do it. You see, it goes right here like that. So if you can see, it sits right in there like that. Like that. So to remove it, there's two screws. There's one screw, I'll show you from here. There's one screw that goes right in here. So you can see this is this holds the tailgate. So, you see the tailgate, you can either hook up the tailgate here or you can hook up the tailgate up here. Inside here, there's a small screw. These are the screws. Those are the screws. One goes right up here, right here in that hole, and the other one goes right here in the bottom. Two small screws. Is a star screwdriver, regular star screwdriver. You remove that screw right there, and you remove that screw right there, and the taillet comes off. That's all you have to do. And to put it back, you do it the same way. Hold on a second. So you can see, I want to show you something from this side. When you put it back, you can see there's this piece of plastic here, and there's another one here at the bottom. Make sure one goes into this hole up here, and the other one goes in here. Let me show you from a distance. So you can see this piece here will go up in here on the top, go up in there on the top hole, and the bottom one here, this one here, you go right in here. So that's how you know. That's how you know the taillight is going back in. So see, so you can see that goes up in there, and the bottom one goes in there like that. See that? I had to change that blinker light. So that's how you remove it. Then now you come here, you can see the hole has lined up on top, and the one in the bottom has lined up. All you have to do is push it in a little bit, and it lines up. Take these two small screws, they're very small screws, put them back in there, and you're good to go. It's a very easy job. You can do it yourself, and you don't have to go to the mechanic for this. And I'll show you something else too. To change the bulbs, you can see it's easy to change the bulb. See the middle one. This is the middle one here. The middle one is the blinker light. The middle one is the blinker light. Then you have the regular light, the brake light, and the backup light. So but to change it, it's easy. You just twist this and remove the bulb. Just twist it, turn it anti-clockwise, like this, like that. It comes out. Change the bulb. Put any kind of bulb you want in there. Screw it back in clockwise. Screw it in back in the hole here clockwise, and you're done. So that's how you easily change, remove the tail light in this GMC Canyon, GMC Colorado, and you fix that light, and you're done and ready to go. Let me know if you have any question or comment. You can leave down there in the bottom comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have a good day. Okay, bye.